Tired of YouTube chaos? Let's tame it with Trello. First, create a new Trello board and name it something like My YouTube Content Calendar. This is your command center. Now, add lists to represent your workflow stages. Start with video ideas. This is where all your brainstorming happens. Click Add a list, name your list, and press Enter. Fill this list with potential video topics. Click Add a card and jot down your ideas. Be specific. Add as many ideas as you like for future inspiration. Next, create lists for scripting, filming, editing, and promotion. These represent the stages each video will go through. As you decide to pursue a video idea, drag the corresponding card from video ideas to scripting. This visually shows your progress. Open the card to add details, use the description for notes, set a due date for each stage, and create checklists for tasks like intro script, material list, or filming locations. You can even assign team members if you collaborate. Enable the calendar PowerUp to visualize your content schedule. This gives you a clear overview of upcoming deadlines. And the best part, Trello is accessible on your phone, so you can manage your YouTube plan on the go. Stay organized, stay productive, and create awesome content.